Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Let's break it down scientifically. A sneeze is a protective reflex. It helps clear the nose of irritants like dust, allergens, or microbes. When something irritates the nasal lining, receptors send signals through the trigeminal nerve. These signals reach the sneeze center in the medulla, which triggers the sneeze reflex. Here's what happens. First, you take a deep breath. The glottis closes, chest muscles contract, and when the glottis suddenly opens, air is expelled at speeds over 100 miles per hour. Sneezing can be triggered by dust, smoke, pollen, infections like the common cold, allergies, or even exposure to bright light.